old ass Payne split system, 5-ton heat pump. Look at that coil. That is choice right there, buddy. It's still holding refrigerant. Freaking all rusted, corroded, old. But you know what? All you can hear running on this one is the fan, because this style has the compressor, the metal divider right here. Compressor is in that box section, just like, you know, the old Lennoxes were. Tank still working. It's still quieter than a Goodman. That one over there is not as quiet. It's a regular cube style, but these styles are pretty quiet with that box stereo for the compressor. All you hear is the condenser fan motor. And of course here, you know, we just hear the traffic go down the freeway. Here's another one. Old as dirt. Still running. DDP. Payne. Serial number 2677 C58033. Wow, if that's the same sequence carrier has been using for years, that means that's the 28th week of 1977. I don't know. I'm not so sure that's really a 1977 unit, but maybe it is. Wow. More than 30 years old then. 39 years. Of course, these got replaced with some train units, which are also quiet, of course. Good thing they didn't go with El Cheapo, low bid, you know, who would stick the likes of Goodman in here. That would be horrible.